So you guessed it right. In today's video, we are going to make DIY turban hairband. Hey guys, it's Meera. Welcome back to my channel. So if you are new here, let me tell you, I make a fashion videos every week on YouTube. So if you want a weekly inspo of your fashion, do consider subscribing to my channel. So if you guys have seen my previous DIY videos, you guys must know that I make a use of my leftover or the scrap fabrics and make something new or wearable. So in today's video also we are going to make 3 types of hairband. All of them would be from the scraps or the leftover fabric. So yeah, let's get into the video. For this, the supplies you need is your hairband, rubber band, glue gun. If not, then you can use fabric glue as well, needle and thread, scale and scissor. For the first type of hairband, you need is a 3 fabric material, each of the specified length. Take the larger section and stitch the ends. Flip the fabric inside out and keep it aside. Next we are going to work for the bow, and for this just fold the fabric and stitch the C-section lining. Now just take the scissor and make a small cut in the center to flip the fabric inside out. It should look something like this. Now just take the third part of the fabric, fold it and stitch the ends. Flip it inside out and at last you will get 3 pieces of fabric. From this, first we are going to work on the larger section and the square part of fabric. Place the square fabric above the larger section of the fabric and just make a stitch onto the center of the fabric. Fold the fabric that it should look something like bow. Take a thread and wrap it around. Next step is optional. For this you can take the similar type of fabric and just roll it around and do a knot on the back side. Now just take the last section of the fabric, insert the rubber band inside the fabric and stitch one of the end. Stretch the rubber band to the other end of the fabric and stitch it around. Something like this. Now you just have to stitch that section to the main section and you are almost done. Cut the extra fabric and your hairband is ready. For the next hairband, this is so famous. You must have seen this type of hairband all over the internet. For this, all you need is 3 types of fabric, 2 of a similar length and 1 would be small. Fold all the fabric and stitch the ends with glue. Turn all of them inside out and now just take the 2 fabric that were of similar length, place it like a plus sign and form a loop something like this. Take the smaller section of the fabric, insert the rubber band inside it and just repeat the process that we did in the first hairband. After this, just attach them to the main part and your hairband is ready. At last we are on to the easiest DIY hairband. For this, just take a piece of cloth of specified length and just make a knot onto the center. Take a rough idea if it would cover your hairband and just make a mark on both sides of the knot. Undo your knot and now you have to do is to stick the fabric from ends till you have marked the length. Now just flip the fabric inside out and make a knot again. Now just insert your hairband inside the fabric through the small opening which we kept it earlier. Fold Fold the ends and stitch it with fabric glue and your hairband is ready. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Do let me know in the comment section below which hairband was your favorite. I would love to see your replies. And if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more such videos. Also, do not forget to check out the links below in the description box. We'll see you guys in the